This is a lung strength routine. The first thing we're going to do for this, it's going to be a small routine, but the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the way how we breathe. I have noticed sometimes people when they breathe, they tend to breathe from the upper chest. So we're going to learn how to breathe from the lungs, yes? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to check how we're sitting. Notice that I'm not sitting at the behind part of the chair, I'm sitting at the border, yes? At the border. My back is straight. And what I'm going to do with the right hand is I'm going to place on the left side of my rib cage. And you're going to do that at least 10 times, and then you do the opposite. Yeah? Breathing into the rib cage. If you want to see it from the side, what I'm doing is this. Expanding my rib cage towards my palm. Breathing into my nose, exhaling through my mouth. And also I'm holding the time. I'm holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, exhale. And we can do that with both hands as well, after you've done 10 and 10. Yeah? At the same time. Exercise is called contraction and extension. And what we want here is you're going to put the fingertips into your chest bone here, and you're going to breathe in. And then as you breathe out, you're going to exhale and expand the lungs in a concave shape. Yes? Back to center, and then we do the opposite. We extend and create a curve. Again, do that for about 20 times, yeah? You can repeat this lying down if you have a mat and you want to try some of these ideas in your mat, it's possible. Standing is possible. I will say before you start all these routines, have a little walk, pump a little bit of blood, oxygen in your blood, and then you start the small routine. Hopefully we will do another one later in the week. Bye.